How to use uniswap with Trust Wallet.
Do you also want to have great testimonials like so many persons who have watched my videos keep having and keep sending every single time, talking about recovered fund, money online, and so many stuff like that? So you want to be sure that you're actually subscribed to my channel. Enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see this video.
So first of all, let's start by going into our Trust Wallet right here. Now, Uniswap is a swapping platform and it has its own token called Uniswap, and it's actually 𝗟𝗚𝗏20 compatible. That's Ethereum network compatible. So to use Uniswap with Trust Wallet, you have to go to your Trust Wallet, click on the browser. Let me click on the browser, scroll all the way to there is popular. You can see Uniswap exchange right there, and if you scroll all the way down to and DeFi, you will see Uniswap is actually there. So now let's tap on Uniswap exchange that we saw right there. Uniswap. Now on this Uniswap, before you can swap on Uniswap, you need Ethereum to conduct swap. You can swap from USDT or any 𝗟𝗚𝗏20 token, but you always need an Ethereum as a transaction fee to conduct a swap on Uniswap. So first of all, we have to connect our wallet right there. So it looks like, yeah, so it's actually on Ethereum. So connect our wallet. Let's choose a token. Let's tap on the connect. Alright, so let's choose a token right here. After connecting your wallet, you can go ahead to choose the token that you want to swap. So here, let me choose the 𝗟𝗜𝗞𝗘 token right here. And now you could actually, because my wallet is connected, you could see that my balance is actually displayed here on this token, and the balance on Ethereum is actually there. So I can actually click on maximum, and just like the way other videos I've made, the corresponding balance will actually displayed here that I will receive after the swap before I click on the swap. Alright, then the same thing happens if I'm swapping from the respective crypto to the Ethereum. If I tap on maximum, maximum, then I'll receive the corresponding balance in Ethereum right here. But in this case, when I'm swapping from this particular cryptocurrency to Ethereum, I have to approve the transaction, because this is the first time I'll be swapping from this particular token to Ethereum on Uniswap. Alright, but in a case whereby I'm swapping from Ethereum, I don't need to approve this swap. It's actually straightforward. So with that, when you conduct the swap successfully, after clicking on swap, let me click on maximum so it won't have to show insufficient balance. So when you click on swap, it will take you to the swapping interface. The moment I hit the confirm button right here, the moment I hit the confirm button, confirm swap, everything has gone through. And after swapping, I will see the token I swapped into on my wallet, just the way you are seeing this particular one. So that's how to swap using Uniswap on Trust Wallet. Let me show you guys something. Alright, these profits that you can see here can only be from trading cryptocurrency. Mind you, these are real profit. You can see if I tap on it, I could send. You could see I could send. Alright, so watch on a wallet cannot be sent. Alright, so learn real cryptocurrency, real crypto trading. That's one of the best way you can make profit from cryptocurrency right now. I'm not talking about those scammers that you give your money to and then they give you watch on a wallet. No, learn how to trade yourself, learn valuable skills on cryptocurrency, and the cost is just less than $30 or $50 down below. Click on the link down below and register right now.